In this video, we're going to show you a simple and delicious recipe for lamb's fry and bacon. This classic dish, beloved for its rich flavors and simple preparation, requires just a few key ingredients: fresh lamb's fry or liver, sliced to your preference, some mouth-watering bacon slices, a bit of flour for those who fancy a crispy edge, and good old salt and pepper for seasoning. Add a dollop of butter or a splash of oil for frying, and you're all set. Ready to dive into the world of deliciousness? Let's get started. And don't forget to trim any excess fat or membranes. Now here's a pro tip. Pat the lamb's fry dry with paper towels. This step is crucial as it helps to remove excess moisture, resulting in a beautiful browning when we cook it later. Let's move on to the bacon. Lay out the slices on a cutting board or plate. Feel free to keep them whole or cut them in halves. It's all up to your personal preference. Now let's get that bacon sizzling. We're going to take our bacon slices and lay them out in a hot skillet or frying pan over medium heat. Now, here's a fun fact. You may think you need to add oil at this stage, but the beauty of bacon is that its own fat will render out as it cooks. This not only saves you from adding extra oil, but also imparts a delightful flavor to the pan, which will later enhance our lamb's fry. As the bacon starts to sizzle, you'll want to flip it occasionally to ensure even cooking. How long you cook the bacon really depends on how crispy you like it. Some prefer a softer, more tender bacon, while others love a good crunch. Once it's cooked to your satisfaction, transfer the bacon to a plate lined with paper towels. This will help to drain away any excess fat. With our bacon cooked to perfection, let's turn our attention to the lamb's fry. Now comes the star of our dish, the lamb's fry. Using the same pan where we cooked our bacon, we want to capitalize on those flavorful drippings. If needed, add a touch more oil or butter to ensure our lamb's fry doesn't stick. With the heat at medium-high, we're ready to introduce the lamb's fry to the pan. Arrange the slices in a single layer, giving each piece its own little stage. Remember, we don't want to overcrowd our pan. If we do, instead of browning, our lamb's fry will steam. We might need to cook in batches, and that's perfectly fine. Now, this part is crucial. We want to cook each side of our lamb's fry for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're looking for a nice browning on the outside, while keeping the inside just pink. Overcooking can lead to a tough and dry liver, and we certainly don't want that. With our lamb's fry perfectly cooked, we're almost at the finish line. Now that the cooking is done, it's time to serve and enjoy our dish. Arrange the sizzling bacon and tender lamb's fry on a platter. Pair this hearty main with sides like mashed potatoes or grilled vegetables for a complete meal. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and personalizing to your palate. So, feel free to tweak this recipe as per your taste. We're excited to see how your dish turns out. There you have it, a simple and delicious recipe for lamb's fry and bacon. We hope you'll give it a try and share your results with us. Till the next recipe, happy cooking!